Whether you train regularly or simply live an active life, your body is constantly rebuilding. Recovery, strength, energy, even feeling full all depend on one key nutrient: protein. Yet, many people struggle to find a plant-based protein that truly works. When protein quality is low or digestion is poor, recovery slows and energy drops. Added sugars and fillers only make things worse. That's why Form was developed. Clean, plant-based protein your body can actually use, supporting recovery, lean muscle, and lasting fullness without heaviness. Each serving delivers 20 grams of plant-based protein and over 3 grams of naturally occurring BCAAs, pea and hemp proteins. Provide a smooth, complete amino acid foundation. Seed ingredients like chia and sasha, inchi supports recovery, healthy fats, and cellular repair. Inulin supports digestion and helps your body absorb nutrients more effectively. Form fuels performance without sugar spikes. It keeps you satisfied, supports lean muscle, and feels light. Mix 1 scoop with water or your favorite liquid. Use after training or anytime you need clean, sustaining fuel. Protein is not just for athletes. It's for everyone who wants to recover better, stay strong, and feel full with intention. Form delivers protein the smarter way, powered by seeds. Form. Fuel your form. Power your performance.